Good morning, everybody. It's New Year's Eve, and I'm getting ready to do this local favorite. It's called uhu, parrotfish. There he is. These are reef dwellers, so they eat a lot of coral. Recipe is real super simple. Take some goya adobo, which is like an all garlic, salt, pepper seasoning. Put some of that on there. Some mayo in the cavity. Not too much. This is kind of to help it steam. Then we're gonna put the next ingredient. This in Hawaii, typically they use lapchang, which is a Chinese sausage. It's kind of sweet, but it's a little bit too sweet for me. So I opted for a pineapple sausage. You can put whatever kind of sausage you want. I was trying to find hot links, but I couldn't. Hot links would be really good with this. So, I'm just gonna cut this like so. So in goes the sausage. Some green onion. Whatever won't fit, just put it outside. This is all going to be wrapped up really tightly with aluminum foil and simply put on the grill for about 45 minutes at the most. Any more than that, you're going to dry out the fish. And then some local lemons. Actually, let's do like this. We're gonna let any of this go to waste. And then some lemon rinds. Not rinds, rounds. And that's your recipe for parrotfish Hawaiian style. Happy New Year. Enjoy.